Welcome to Lucas World. What is this box for? Let us see. What's inside the box? Oh. Oh, there's a little boy inside the box. What's your name, little boy? How old are you?
I'm 4 years old.
Oh.
And I'm in the toilet.
Oh, really? You can now poo-poo in the toilet?
Yeah.
Without the diaper?
Yeah.
Wow, that's good. You're
And I really would stand up.
When you wee-wee, how do you do that?
To stand up.
You stand up and then where do you go?
Then I go to Daddy.
Ah,
She was happy.
Daddy is
Wow.
happy for you.
I think.
Oh, you're not fighting with Daddy anymore.
Yes, I'll get the toys.
Okay. So, are those your favorite toys?
Yes. It's a ball and an earthquake.
Okay. So,
I'm not destroying it. I
mm.
put it here.
Oh, that's nice. You're no longer destroy them. And why do you like to destroy airplanes?
No,
You no longer destroy them?
I'm not destroying them.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not a bad boy.
Oh, you're not a bad boy anymore.
I'm a good boy.
Okay. So what can you do with your airplanes?
They're happy.
Oh, those airplanes are now happy
And the ball.
and the ball is now. Mm-hmm.
Almost.
Almost.
Yeah. Thank you for watching. And like and subscribe. Search on YouTube.
Yeah.